Bro, can I be real for a second? There are so many creators just quitting. And why? Because no one cared. Like, they stayed up late, grinding, making videos, streaming, putting their everything into it, and no one even noticed. Some of the funniest, craziest, most insane content just flops. And these creators, they disappear. Gone. It's messed up, bro. People act like being a creator is easy. It's not. It's blood, sweat, tears, and most of the world scrolls past like you don't even exist. And honestly, it's depressing. Too many good creators already gone just because no one cared. Next time you see a small creator, like the video. Subscribe if you can. Small creators, use this sound, post your stuff. Maybe, just maybe, you'll hit your first 1,000